chilling.
Hey guys, it's Charlotte. I'm just chilling out with Kyle, and we're texting our friend. And I just found out earlier today the cough medicine makes me not. It can't let me pronounce my T's. So here we go. I'm gonna try it again because I had it before because I had a bad cough and I smoked it. So, by the way, she told me to do it.
No, I didn't.
Before you did.
Yeah,
the first time.
I told you not to before.
No, you didn't. You told me to do it. You didn't want to do it, and you told me to. I'm special. I'm special. It'll wear off soon. It just happens because my tongue's not. I talk so weird. I talk like our best friend. You know, Nick. Doesn't he talk like this sometimes?
No.
Yeah, he does.
No, he does. You just said that on YouTube.
I know.
That's mean.
How does that mean?
Because it is.
He was just joking around when he talked like this.
He does not.
He does.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
There we go. I'm better. Yeah, he does.
No.
When he's acting funny, he talks like
my
this.
biffle. You can't say that.
I've been his biffle for 3 years.
I don't care.
I'm a better biffle.
I'm sorry. Charlotte's a meanie bo beanie nana fan of a fiend.
Am I a meanie? Comment if you think I'm a meanie, or if you don't think I'm a meanie.
Or a very violent person.
Kyle or Charlotte? Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Right hand, left
Also,
hand.
comment if you think I'm beautiful.
Comment if you think Kyle is beautiful.
Look at my face.
She wants you to look at her face.
I'm beautiful.
How do you think I'm prettyful? I'm not prettyful.
Yes, she is. She's so prettyful.
I'm scaryful. I'm very scaryful.
Peace glasses.
I got that.
Wow.
Bite your head off.
I love you, YouTube.
She loves you, YouTube.
Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. I love you.